In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace business email. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to workspace.google.com. This is the official Google Workspace site where you can access all the tools and services Google provides for businesses. Here you'll see an option prominently displayed to get started. Click on it to begin the registration process. This button is your gateway to opening up a world of collaboration and efficiency through Google Workspace. Now you'll need to enter the necessary information to set up your account. The form will typically ask for details like your business name, number of employees, and a current email address that you can use for verification. Take a moment to input these details carefully. It's important to get this information right because it forms the foundation of your professional profile on Google Workspace. After you've entered your information, go ahead and click on the Next button to proceed. This is a crucial step as it confirms the details you've just provided and moves you further along in the setup process. Double check all the information to ensure it's accurate. Now, a bit of a reality check here. If you're configuring for an entire team, do take a moment to consider the specific email addresses you might want for your domain. This is the stage where planning ahead can really pay off. You can always add or modify user accounts later, but starting with a clear vision can save you from future hassles. Once you've confirmed your details and clicked next, Google will guide you through the additional setup steps. These may vary based on the specific needs of your business, such as choosing a plan that suits your requirements. Google offers several plans with different features, so it's worth taking a moment to explore which one aligns best with your business needs. As we reach the end of our quick setup, remember that having a Google Workspace account isn't just about email. You're unlocking access to a full suite of productivity tools like Google Drive, Google Meet, and Google Docs, all designed to enhance collaborative working and communication within your business. By following these simple steps, you're not just setting up an email account, you're establishing a professional presence that will enhance the credibility and functionality of your business communications. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on making the most of your business tools.